Hello guys, welcome to Food Calls. This is my first YouTube video and I really hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did while making it and while eating it. Since this is my first YouTube video, I thought I should make something sweet. And what could be better than milk bread or milk cake? So milk bread is basically a very soft and very delicious sweet dish, and I'm sure everybody is going to love it. Share it with your friends and family, and I am sure they are going to love this recipe. It's so simple, so easy to make, and so tasty, of course. You can taste it, you can eat it plain, or you can eat it with your chocolate sauce, and everything will taste just amazing. And these are so soft. Please do not forget to share your reviews, your experience with me in the comment box down below. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So we start with sugar and then we add in a cup of warm milk. Warm milk because you want to dissolve your sugar as fast as possible, so make sure it's warm. Then goes in 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Do not forget your milk powder because it makes it so much better and so much softer. Mix it nicely and then goes in 1 cup of flour. You can use your wheat flour or you can use your maida, anything that is available at home, use it. For my case, I have used wheat flour. Do not forget to sieve because you don't want any lumps. After mixing it, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can skip the salt because it does not really change the taste at all, so you can add it or skip it, whatever you guys like. And mix it until you get this consistency. Not too liquidy and not too thick, just the perfect ever. If you guys do not have a bread tin, here's a hack for you guys. Take a rectangular tin or square tin and grease it with ghee or butter. After that, take aluminum foil and fold it as shown in the video. Do it nicely to get nice results. Also, do not forget the last fold because it is so important, because that is what is gonna give your DIY tin a support. And do not forget to grease it because you don't want it to move. Greasing it will make it stick to the tin. And place it as shown in the video. This just works fine. You can use it for your homemade bread or homemade banana bread or anything that you want. You can just use this hack and everything's so good, so simple. Preheat your oven for 10 minutes, and after that make sure to tap your milk bread and keep it in the oven for 20 minutes at 270 degrees Celsius, and look at how amazing this turns out. So soft, so yummy. Share your experience. Thank you.